And then the cat then collapses into a dead cat or a live cat. Well, that means that observation determined existence. So you're now left with a very horrible, absolutely incredible paradox. Either the act of observation determines the existence of a cat, or the cat is simultaneously dead and alive. Both alternatives are mind-blowing. Both alternatives shake philosophy to the very core. Let's take the first alternative. Observation determines existence. But observation requires consciousness. Therefore, consciousness makes an observation, and then we see the cat is alive. Well, I determine the fact the cat is alive. Well, who determines me? Somebody has to look at me to determine that I'm alive and I'm not dead. Well, who determines him? Somebody has to look at him. And this is called Wigner's friend. Wigner was the winner of the Nobel Prize. He helped to build the atomic bomb. And this is called Wigner's friend. I have an infinite sequence of Wigner's friend. So who's the ultimate Wigner's friend? God. So starting with quantum theory, which is the most objective, reductionist theory of all time, you go all the way up to God. Now let's say you don't want that. Let's say you don't believe in this Nobel Prize winner. Let's say you believe in the other theory. The other theory is even worse. The other theory is many worlds. Most Nobel laureates now are leaning toward the second. Steve Weinberg, winner of the Nobel Prize, has said the following: imagine you're in a room and many radio frequencies are in the same room. Your radio is turned into one frequency, but you're very comfortable being in a room with many frequencies, right? But you tune into one. Well, these frequencies are now wave functions. In this room, there's the wave function of dinosaurs. In this room, because they never died 65 million years ago, because a cosmic event prevented the extinction of the dinosaurs. In this room, there's the wave function of aliens, because perhaps aliens decided to colonize the Earth millions of years ago. In this room, there's the wave function of Alexander the Great. Perhaps he came all the way to the Americas instead of being just conquering most of the old world. Think about it. Your mind goes crazy. This is the multiverse. So welcome to the multiverse.